We left Karbala with heavy hearts, our eyes still carrying the last image of our loved ones. Chains still marked the necks of the men, and the cries of the children echoed in the cold desert air. From Syria we journeyed, step after painful step, toward our home, Medina.
As the caravan neared the city, the people gathered, expecting to see the family of the Prophet returning in honor. But what they saw broke their hearts.
I entered the city without my brothers, without my sons, without Hussein. The people of Medina cried out in grief. Every house became a house of mourning. The story of Karbala spread, and the entire city wept for Hussein.
This was no victory march. This was the return of survivors, carrying the message of Karbala to the world.